Hi, this is Starla from lifefulandfrugal.com, and today we're going to be learning how to make sourdough bread, a multigrain sandwich loaf. The question was presented to me, why do I make sourdough? And my answer is this: the benefits of sourdough are just incredible. First of all seeds have phytic acid in them, which is a wonderful preservative. That's why you can keep seeds for 50, 60 to 100 years and sometimes hundreds of years, and they don't go bad. That phytic acid is a natural preservative that needs to be broken down, and that's one of the things that the lactobacilli and the yeast do in the souring process when you make sourdough bread. It also helps with the availability of B vitamins. The lactobacilli and the yeast work on the wheat, and they allow for the release of B vitamins, and they make them far more available to us. It also helps with enzyme inhibitors, and we want our body to be able to break down wheat and all the different wonderful seeds that are going to be in this. And how they can be broken down is with the sourdough starter that breaks down those enzyme inhibitors. So overall, basically your sourdough starter is doing so much pre-digestion for you, making all kinds of B vitamins available and minerals available that you would not be able to easily assimilate in the body. So they pre-digest it for you. It's just wonderful, and that's why I make sourdough. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a sourdough multigrain sandwich loaf, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave us some comments below if you have any questions about sourdough or what you're doing with sourdough, and look in the description box below where there's some helpful affiliate links. Thanks so much. We hope you enjoyed the video.